Now just think of it, and I want to bring in Sabyasachi also. Sabyasachi, now imagine if somebody told you that when you talk about the 1984 riots, do not mention Sikhs who were massacred, who were the people, which was the community that came under attack. And if you mention the name of the community, how is it polarization?
Well, absolutely, Pranesh. See, this particular remark coming in is absolutely bizarre. See, as you mentioned, if you talk about the 1984 massacre, you have to mention Sikhs. At this particular time, when violence is being taking place in Bangladesh, it is the Hindus who are being targeted. Every single day, incidents of violence are being coming out. Women are being kidnapped and raped. So, at this particular time, first, the opposition remains denial. And when the interim Prime Minister himself says that the violence is taking place, now it seems that the opposition have a problem with the word Hindu. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, mentioned that the safeguard of the Hindus
joining
is
us,
very much
Pratibha. You have Rahul Ishwar with you.
Absolutely. Rahul Ishwar, activist joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, stay with us. Rahul Ishwar, what is the problem if the Prime Minister says that save Hindus? The RSP MP says, why name only Hindus? Well, they are being specifically targeted in Bangladesh, and yet there are members of parliament who have an objection to the Prime Minister saying that minorities, Hindus, are being targeted in Bangladesh. What is the problem in saying Hindus should be saved?
As a Hindu activist, I am relieved and I am happy that my Prime Minister of the largest Hindu majority nation in the world, Sri Narendra Modi ji, took up the cause of Hindu, used the word Hindu and other minorities in Bangladesh. Let us be honest about this. There has been violence against Hindus, Hindu temples, Hindu businesses. This has been well documented. The new incoming Bangladeshi chief advisor, come Prime Minister, has acknowledged this, saying that Hindu, Christian, Buddhist places were attacked. There is no shame in doing this. So please remember, we should not have a pseudo-secular silence regarding these kind of things. They are our brothers. We were once a part of a great nation called India. I know at one point of time, pre-independence, it is up to us that we raise our voice, whether it is Hindus in Pakistan, Hindus in Bangladesh. Prime Minister, in a well-balanced tweet, if you see the structure of the tweet, Hindus and other minorities, he has pointed out everyone. So this is the right Hindu attitude. One hand Hindu and the other hand human. And Prime Minister has rightly flagged the issue, which will create the awareness in an international level in a big way. And the Prime Minister of India says that carries a lot of weightage. And this is a matter of reality on ground too. There have been instances of great, protection from Bangladeshi civil society too. Nobody's denying that. But at the same point of time, Hindus are attacked. It's a blunt reality.
Yes, when Hindus are attacked, why not mention it? What is the objection to it? That's the question. Rahul Ishwar, request you to stay on with us. We have Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP also joining us. Shehzad, temples have been burnt down. Hindu residents have been chased and attacked. It has been admitted by Jamaat-e-Islami as well. But you have an India Bloc MP who says, why is the Prime Minister talking about Hindus?
Is that question to me?
Yes, Shehzad.
Well, you see, this is because India Alliance and Congress in particular, for them only vote bank matters, principle doesn't, and therefore the principle...
All right, Shehzad, stay with us, and I want you to ask Mr. Premchandran himself as well. He's joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Premchandran, what is the problem if the Prime Minister specifically mentions Hindus? Are you not aware that Hindus have been specifically targeted in Bangladesh?
No, not only Hindus, all the minorities have to be protected. There are also other minorities also. Specifically stating Hindus, there is no problem in it, but the question is all minorities, because all the Indians in particular belonging to minority have to be protected. That is the way I am saying.
Okay, all minorities have been protected, but you have
Pratibha,
said...
if I could, just get in a question with Mr. Premchandran. Mr. Premchandran, sir, I just want to ask you, all minorities must be protected is the stated position. They should be. Why minorities? All individuals, all living beings, not just human beings. Plants must be protected, animals must be protected. What is this motherhood statement that you are giving? What is your problem? When the Prime Minister has used Hindus, when Hindus are attacked, their places of worship are under attack.
Oh, no, this is the issue which I am saying, that the Jains are there, Sikhs are there. All minorities have to be protected. That is the only position which I did take.
No, why only minorities? Even majorities have to be protected. But what is your objection with the word Hindu? That is all that I want to know.
This is not the question of objection to the term Hindus. I have specifically stated in the morning, your representative approached me that might be The Hindus may be more there in the minorities. That is why the PM has told about the Hindus.
No,
I have
Mr.
problem with
Premachandran,
that.
you have in your comments, sir, and we can play it out. You are a responsible person. And I'm glad that we are having this conversation live on national television. I can play it out if you've forgotten what you said. You said, why the Prime Minister should not have used the word Hindus. What is the problem with that? Why did you say so?
So my point is, all the minorities should be protected, including Hindus. All minorities have to be protected. That is the position which I have said.
The Prime Minister said that in his tweet. Did you read his tweet, sir?
Yeah.
Should I tell you what his tweet is? I'll quickly tell you.
I have said repeatedly that I have no problem with it. My point is, the entire minorities have to be protected. All Hindus, Sikhs, Jains, and other communities or Indian communities have to be protected because attack is being against the minorities in particular. Minorities in Indian are particular. So definitely that has to be protected. That is the point which I have.
Sir, here I am reading from what the PM tweeted. We hope for an early return to normalcy, ensuring safety of Hindus, other minorities. India remains committed to working with Bangladesh. That is the comment, sir. That is the post.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that I have no problem with that using the word Hindus. My point is, when we make the statement, instead of mentioning the name of a particular community...
But why? That is what I'm asking. Why do you have a problem with the name of a particular community? If Hindus are attacked, if Hindu temples are attacked, what do you expect the Prime Minister to say? Buddhists, Jains, Christians, Muslims...
This is not the question of Hindus alone. Attack is against other minorities are also there. It is being reported. In such a situation, my point is Hindus as well as other minorities have to be protected. There is no problem in it.
Sir, can I ask you a question? Mr. Premachandran, if we talk about the 1984 riots, the anti-Sikh massacre, will you call for justice for Sikhs or justice for all minorities?
No, there it was particular against the Sikhs. It was an attack in particular against the Sikhs. No other communities were targeted. That is why I'm saying.
So how many temples have been attacked? Individuals have been targeted, sir. This is a disservice. By saying that the Prime Minister should not have used the word Hindus, it's a disservice. We also have the representative of the BJP, Mr. Shehzad Poonawalla, joining us. Okay, I think we've lost the line, but Mr. Premachandran, thank you for speaking to Times Now.
So you heard what Premachandran said. He said protection of all minorities. But Sabyasachi, when there are reports that very clearly say that Hindus have been targeted, they have been attacked, what is the problem in the Prime Minister mentioning it?
Well, absolutely. See, if you see the structure of Prime Minister's tweet, where Prime Minister clearly mentioned Hindus and minorities, a safeguard of the Hindus and the minorities is very much important, and India is looking forward to maintain its relationship with Bangladesh. Now, N.K. Premachandra, who was speaking to us, clearly is retracting from his original remarks that he has given. Now, we are seeing that from the very beginning, the opposition has been...
Yes, absolutely. The politics around it, unfortunately, continues. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. We're slipping into a quick break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.